Hi everybody, and let's start a new tutorial about
We're
Pygame.
gonna create a new, so wanna see how to create a window.
So I made this little app to make an ebook or something like that with the Pygame thing that we are going to make in this tutorial. And it works this way. I'm gonna put my Python file for this tutorial into this folder called snippets.
Import Pygame, and then SPG, and then let's create a class called game. Into the class, we're gonna create screen equal pg.display dot set mode, and let's make it width and height. Okay, we got this width and height, and then we wanna make def. Gonna make this loop. So while game, so for each event in pygame.event.get, if event type, we're gonna define the quit boolean and the escape boolean, that is So this is a way to escape from the window, to quit the window, and it will quit the window if quit or escape. Quit it means that you press the X button on the window, and escape you press the key, the escape key. Let's see if this works. And when you press one of these buttons, it will pygame.quit. Okay, so to start the game, and we must put the width and height of the window. Close window is not defined. And we can also use escape. Okay, so we have defined our little game class that has its loop, the way, and in this loop it got this way to close the window, and in here it defines the width and height that we pass here as an argument of the instance of the class. So that is the first step of our Pygame. To start a game, we're going to start this series of tutorial from scratch, making a nice organization of the code. Now, another thing that we want to make is to put this game class outside, and so of the main one. So import game as import game just like this. So when I make here game.game, okay, so here we got our window. Instead, if we open game, So we have put our class into another module. So we just import that module with the class, and then we make the instance with accessing to main.game and giving it the size of the window in this version. Instead, if you want all the code in here, if you don't mind having too many lines into this, you're gonna start from this and you have the same thing. So that's how we are making this game. So we want to make it in two ways. We want to make it just one file and also divide it into different scripts. And the last thing is, let's see how we use it, our py snippet here. We want to change the name in memo pygame, and this will be given to when we will finish to anyone who want it. So um, here we have our two way to do it, and here I will also put some memos here about what is what. So in the script main.py file, there is the main class game that creates the window and also makes the loop to make the game work. So we're gonna save this with Ctrl S, and so we have it in here, and so you have it also in here. So this is our start for this game tutorial, and we will also see how to add other stuff in this other little program to contain our apps, our scripts, just for Pygame becoming a sort of manual or how to make a game.